In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set your default app for magnet links on Windows or macOS. If you've ever clicked a magnet link and nothing happened, or the wrong app opened, this quick setup will fix that. Magnet links are special URLs commonly used to start downloads in torrent clients. By telling your operating system which app should handle them, you'll save time and avoid confusing prompts. First, open your system settings. On Windows, launch the Settings app, go to Apps, then Default Apps. On macOS, open System Settings, head to Desktop and Dock, and look for the default web browser section. We're going here because this is where your computer keeps the list of which programs open different link types and protocols. Next, find the Magnet protocol entry. Use the search bar in the Default Apps area and type Magnet. You're looking for the protocol usually labeled as Magnet or shown as a magnet link type. On Windows, you may see an option like Choose Defaults by Link Type where you can scroll or search to locate Magnet. The goal is simply to find the setting that represents magnet links, so your system knows exactly which application to open when you click one. Don't worry if you don't see .magnet as a file extension. Magnet is a protocol, not a regular file type, so it might appear slightly differently depending on your system version. Once you've located the magnet entry, choose your preferred torrent client to handle these links. Popular options include Qubit Torrent, Transmission, and others you may already have installed. Select the app you want, confirm any prompt your system shows, and that's it. The association is now set. From this point on, when you click a magnet link in your browser or another app, your chosen client will launch automatically and pick up the link without extra steps. A few quick tips before we wrap up. If your preferred client isn't listed, make sure it's installed and up to date, then revisit the default apps section. Sometimes closing and reopening the settings window helps it refresh the list. If you're on a managed or shared computer, you might need permission to change default app settings. And if you ever want to switch to a different client later, you can return to the same place and change the association in just a few clicks. That's all there is to it. You've set magnet links to open in the app you prefer, so downloads start smoothly every time. Thanks for watching and enjoy the streamlined setup.